So yeah, another day, and yeah, these are the rest of them. Now it is a good morning because finally I sourced a new battery for the RC. Yeah, they'll be worked on later, but I have not been riding it. It was almost 5 years old, the battery, and it was just not working. So got this Excite, and this is the model number. As you can see, BVT-Z9. Hopefully putting this back in should start it. I had just changed the spark plug. I'll do another video on how to change the spark plug and air filter. Had to change the engine oil as well. Again, that will be done later. First, I just want to check whether the wiring is gone somewhere, because I don't know what happened. Maybe it was just the age. So I'm just going to put the new battery back in. This is where it goes, and let's see how the things work. Hopefully it should start. Hopefully it was just the battery and no other electrical problems. So let's begin with that. Yeah, so positive, and this again shows positive. No chances for any kind of error. So let's just try and do this. Oh, I'm excited. Hopefully this would work. Now new bits and bobs and the nuts have been provided. These are simple ones, rectangular in shape, and they slide in like this. Again, the same for the next side. Let me put this in. I've just been riding Himalayan so much. Other bikes are getting neglected. I am still pretty much addicted to Himalayan, but the time is right now to start riding the other ones. The winter has not been easy any which way, so yeah, that has also taken some toll, but the battery replacement is easy. Changing the spark plug on this is, I mean, even if I have to do a DIY on that is gonna be quite a task, to be honest, trust me. I'm thinking while all the work was done, I might have snapped a wire here and there. So not sure how the things are gonna go. Maybe it was just some wiring fault. 5 years is a long time for a bike, right? But anyways, now this is the belt that secures the battery in place. Should be pretty easy. Yeah, now for the moment of truth. Ignition on, that sounds healthy. All the rest of the bobs have been put back in. Start please. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry for the noise, but yeah. Healthy RPM. Yeah, started in second ignition. So it was just the battery. Beautiful. Now the rest of the job is going to be just putting all the claddings, the tank cover, the side fairing, and even the rear tire needs replacement now. As you can see, this is in bad nick, but I was just not doing anything. This is Metzeler M7. Yeah, and one by one I have to start working on these as well. And this is where all the claddings and everything lay. As you can see, the Himalayan panniers, these are all the bits and bobs. Just, it's a complete mess. It is a complete mess. I have to work on this. But again, the good news is no wiring fault. This was just the battery issue. So running beautifully. I'm gonna shut it now. Yeah, so that was just the battery issue. Everything else is gonna be easy. I'm just gonna put the claddings and everything back in, and we'll start posting some DIYs on this as well. So let's get the job done, but the DIYs will come later. Right now I was just hopefully trying to see if this starts or not. So yeah, thanks, bye.